I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to attach Trust Wallet with Hahm. First, ensure your Trust Wallet is ready on your mobile device. You will need to have it installed and updated to the latest version. It is also crucial to have a small amount of BNB Smart Chain tokens in your wallet to cover any network transaction fees. Always keep your 12-word recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone. This process connects your wallet to a decentralized application, enabling secure interactions. Next, let's access Hahm. Open your Trust Wallet app and find the D-app browser, usually located at the bottom. In the browser's address bar, carefully enter the official Hahm website URL. Double-check the address to avoid any scam sites. Once on the Hahm platform, ensure your wallet is set to the correct network, which is often the BNB Smart Chain for many decentralized applications. This step is vital for a successful connection. Now let's initiate the connection. On the Hahm website, you will typically find a Connect Wallet button. Click this button and then select Wallet Connect from the options provided. If you are on a desktop, a QR code will appear. Use your Trust Wallet's built-in scanner to scan it. If you are already on a mobile device, a deep link option might appear, allowing you to connect directly with just one tap. This establishes a secure link. Finally, approve the connection. After scanning the QR code or using the deep link, your Trust Wallet will display a connection request. Take a moment to review all the details presented. Once you are confident, tap Connect to approve the link between your wallet and Hahm. For security, always remember to disconnect your wallet from the platform when you are done. Never approve any transaction or connection request that seems suspicious or unclear to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.